This green light with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay? You're going to keep your head perfectly still. You understand those instructions? Do you understand the instructions?
Do you want to keep my head still?
When entitled girls believe they're untouchable, the law becomes their harsh reality check. Witness jaw-dropping encounters as young women learn the hard way that rules apply to everyone, no matter how invincible they think they are. A drunk woman caused trouble in a hotel lobby, bothering guests and refusing to leave even after being told to go. Hotel staff repeatedly asked her to leave, but she became argumentative and claimed she had paid for a room that night.
You need to leave.
Hi, police!
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
You need to leave.
Oh, you look so sassy.
They asked you to leave, right? So you need to
I'm
go.
not leaving.
You're being trespassed.
I'm not leaving until you show the video of what they've done to me.
You trespass, you need to leave.
I'm not trespassing. I paid for this room tonight.
As the police arrived, she resisted their attempts to remove her, citing a shoulder injury and accusing them of causing harm.
And show the video. I'm going to district attorney.
Can you please start this way?
I'll show the SWAT.
Okay.
Ow!
Don't touch me.
And you won't touch me.
Stop.
Dude, you're so done because I have a broken clavicle.
We'll have to get her, at 18:30.
Wait till you see who I call.
Her person. Go ahead.
Go ahead, fat
I'm gonna get her
face.
first, really quick.
Go ahead, fat
I'm gonna get her
face.
first, really quick.
Go ahead, fat face. Cause you're done. You're gonna get fired. Just so you know.
You're going to jail.
They raped me. I don't give a if I go to jail. You live in jail. You fat face. Chubby face. Chuck E. Cheese. No, get away.
The woman claimed she was connected to New York's district attorney and threatened legal action. When asked if she had anything harmful on her, she continued her tirade, directing anger toward one officer while complimenting another.
Yeah, he's fat cheese, Chuck E. Cheese face.
Cool. You're going to jail.
I don't care. Do I look like I care?
You will when you get in there.
I don't care.
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
will when you
strip
get in
naked
there.
and show all the shit forever.
Sarasota County Jail.
Mom, leave me alone. La 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 la. He's a fat
We
face.
have to make sure we get his info, obviously.
Hi, kids. Don't get in trouble with these fat face. Wait till you find out I'm out in an hour. I know every district attorney in New York. I'm gonna show my tits to you and then send it to you.
It's all on body cam.
Woo! Don't touch me. You know what? I have a broken fucking shoulder, so do it again.
Eventually, the officers restrained her and prepared to place her in the police vehicle.
Ain't clothes in there, you dumb fat. Do you care? What if it was your daughter? Your wife?
Jail.
Get off me, you fat.
Do you have anything on me that could hurt me?
Oh, perfect. Get his info.
No?
Not you, because you're pretty.
Thank you. All right. Well, I got to
Get
search.
this fat.
He's just holding you for my safety.
Are you
so,
gonna
do you
have
have
with me?
No.
She continued shouting insults, refusing to slide into the car, and demanded her purse back. Once secured in the vehicle, she bragged about her connections, claiming she could get out within minutes.
Don't touch my shoulder or I'm going to med. I'm going to the hospital. Do you have a girlfriend? I think he's gay. You're gay. He's gay, totally.
Okay, hop in.
What does that have to do with anything? You're going to jail.
I don't if that's the point. You don't think I care.
All right, go ahead and hop in,
I
please.
don't care at all. I can't get out. I need assistance.
All right.
Keep caution on my wrist, dude.
Well, we got to help you up. You can. Okay.
Keep caution on my wrist, gay boy.
All right, go ahead, slide in.
I want my purse back.
We're
If
gonna,
he's
yes,
still
I'm
on
going to take it and put it
I
in the
like
car.
you, but fat face. He's
Okay.
The police completed her booking process, ensuring she was charged with trespassing. Hotel staff confirmed that the trespass notice was valid for a year, preventing her from returning to the property. On February 26, 2023, a driver was stopped for speeding in Florida. The officer discovered the driver's license was suspended and suspected intoxication. After failing sobriety tests, the driver was arrested for DUI. A breathalyzer confirmed alcohol levels nearly double the legal limit, leading to further legal actions.
That your driver's license is suspended?
What is it?
Are you aware that your driver's license is suspended?
No.
And it's suspended in...
For what?
All I see from Alabama shows it's suspended back in December of 2022.
For what?
I don't know. All I see is it's suspended.
Well, that's what I would like. For what?
All I see is it's suspended. I don't know the details. If it was Florida, I could give you the details, but if it's Alabama, I can't give you the details because all I see is suspended.
So what do I do?
Well, you can't drive.
I have a girlfriend. Like, I'm literally...
The officer introduced himself as Sergeant Speener and informed the driver about the speed violation. The driver apologized and claimed to be looking for insurance documents.
Alright, I've issued you 2 citations. The first citation I've issued you is for your speed on Navarre Parkway. This citation is for 68 miles an hour and a posted 45. That citation is 200.
The officer checked the system and found the driver's license was suspended in Alabama. The driver seemed unaware and repeatedly asked for details. The officer explained that driving with a suspended license in Florida could lead to arrest.
Okay, that's no faculties are impaired.
Okay.
Okay, in other words, I believe that you're intoxicated or pretty much drunk.
Not at all. But I will...
So...
I will not get behind that car.
So, as of right now, we're moving to a DUI investigation.
The officer issued 2 citations, one for speeding and another for unknowingly driving with a suspended license. During the interaction, the officer suspected the driver was intoxicated based on slurred speech and bloodshot eyes. The driver denied drinking and became defensive. The officer asked the driver to perform field sobriety tests.
By your side. Okay. At this time, you are going to be placed under arrest for DUI, okay? Here you go. Watch her on this curb right here. Here, watch out.
I've done nothing.
Don't pull away. Come on.
Make you treat me this way?
All right, step down. Step down for me. There you go.
I've done nothing.
I've been very polite this entire time.
And so have I.
If I have to ask you one more time to stop pulling away from me, I will tack on that additional charge. You understand? Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Can you please call my parents?
We will call your parents in just a minute. Go ahead and have a seat for me.
I don't trust you people.
Sit down, please.
Can you please call them now so they're aware of what is happening?
They will
at this
be
moment?
aware. Please sit down.
I need someone other than the 3 of you. I just need someone else to witness this.
The driver struggled with the tests, failing to follow instructions and maintain balance. The officer observed clear signs of impairment. The officer arrested the driver for DUI after confirming impairment.
For me.
And it's not about that. Okay. I just need to be respected.
I understand. I've been very respectful with you.
And that's all that I'm asking is
Hey,
to be
pass me that
respected.
seatbelt.
The driver protested, claiming to have done nothing wrong, but cooperated reluctantly.
Your dad first.
I've been obviously trying to call her. Like, obviously. I have no other reason to be over here.
Maddie, calm down. You're not helping anything. Calm down. Young Maddie.
Oh, okay, so where are you taking me?
Santa Rosa County Jail in Milton.
So how to get out of there?
Whenever you are able to blow under a .05, okay, you're going to have a bond, and once you pay your bond, you're out.
Can I do that by myself?
Yeah, you should be able to. As long as you got the money for it.
Should I be able to?
Like, as long as you got cards and everything else, like you have the ability to pay for it.
I have the money.
Well, that's what I'm saying. As long as you have the ability to pay for
I
it.
know all y'all care about is money. I just need to make sure that, like, I can physically.
The driver was allowed to call their father to explain the situation. The officer assured the parent the vehicle would be secured.
You can have the water once we're done in here. Okay. So would you be willing to provide a sample of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content?
Do I have a choice?
You can tell me no.
What was that gonna do?
Okay. If you tell me no, your license will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal or 18 months for a second refusal. If it is a second refusal, you can face an additional misdemeanor charge. If you refuse to provide a sample to the test that I'm requesting, it will be admissible into court for any criminal proceedings. With that in mind, do you want to provide a breath sample?
I don't know. I just want to go home.
Okay, well, unfortunately, we're here now. All right, you're going to be able to go home in just a couple hours. Okay, so we got about 1 minute and 15 seconds.
I don't know
Okay.
what's like the right, like, do you ask for a lawyer or do you, like, I don't know, I've never been put in this situation before.
Okay, so hold on.
At this point, fuck it.
To explain to you, okay, what I just explained to you, okay, is called implied consent. So what it is whenever you signed for your driver's license, you told the state that you will submit to any lawful test requested of you by a law enforcement officer. Okay, this is a lawful test being lawfully requested by a law enforcement officer.
So if I call my lawyer tomorrow morning, they're like, yes, you should have done that.
They're going to tell you you can or you can refuse. It's your option. I'm not going to make you do this thing. I'm asking you to do it. Okay. We got about 30 seconds. The instrument's going to do a self-check to make sure that it is working properly. Okay. So you have from now until the time that I have to ask for a sample to kind of make up your mind. Okay. Again.
I'll take it. Like, I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Okay, I understand.
I don't know. I've never been put in this situation before.
I get it.
It's like
right.
protocol. Like, I don't know. I've always heard, like, if you go to jail, like, dude.
At the station, the driver provided a breath sample. The results showed a blood alcohol level almost twice the legal limit. The officer contacted the driver's family again to update them about the situation and the next steps, ensuring transparency. The driver faced charges of speeding, driving with a suspended license, and driving under the influence, DUI. If you enjoyed this case, please like this video and subscribe for more fascinating content. Your support keeps us going.